Of computers. In this lesson, we are going to study in how many classes we can distribute computers, tasks performed by different computers, and use of different computers in everyday life. In this classification of computer, we distribute computer into four classes. They are by handling data, by purpose, by size, and by technology. We further classify these computers into more branches. Like you can see here, by handling data can be distributed in three more types of computer that are hybrid, digital, and analog computers. By purpose, we can distribute computer into general purpose and special purpose computers. By size, we can classify computer into mainframe computers, supercomputers, mini computers, and microcomputers. By technology, we can classify into further many branches. They are PC, laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone, workstation, server, and wearable computers. The category we are going to study is by handling data today. In this class, there are three types. The first one is analog computer. An analog computer is a form of a computer that uses continuous physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic quantities to model the problem being solved. The most common example we see of analog computer in our daily life is a speedometer. You may have seen this speedometer in your cars or in your bikes. The other example is this electrical watt meter. These meters are commonly used in our country. The analog computer takes continuous input and gives continuous output. You may have seen that speedometer continuously work with the car. When the car is going on, the speedometer will show the speed continuously. When the car is stopped, the speedometer will stop automatically. Analog computer performs particular tasks and they are not multitasking support. Another, again, a speedometer tells you speed only. It will not tell you the fuel level. It will not tell you the other things in the car, but only speed. So, which means that analog computer works specifically on a single task at a time. It works on real time and have no storage facility, which means that you cannot store data in analog computer. This is the analog process: input, process, and output. The analog signals are like these strings. The other type of computer in this category is the digital computer. The digital computer performs calculations and logical operations with quantities represented as digits, usually in binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. They are the most commonly used computer these days, like laptop and desktop computers. We may have seen digital meters these days, and digital thermometers are used commonly in today's situation. These are the strings of binary numbers, zeros and ones, which means 0 is equal to off and 1 is equal to on. Now let's see what's make digital computer superior than analog computer. Digital computers work faster than analog computers and they have storage capacity. They perform arithmetic and logical operations and they are most commonly used, which means they are affordable. Let's have a look at the digital process. Input, arithmetic operations, and then output. Digital signals are like these strings of 1 and zeros. The last and final type of this of computer in this category are the hybrid computers. It is a combination of computers capable of inputting and outputting data in digital and analog both. The common example of hybrid computers are ECG machines and oximeters. Here in this oximeter you can clearly see that this device is taking input from this human finger and generating output in digital form. This is the complete example of hybrid computer these days. The input is coming from a human finger, the process is going on in this device, and then output is generated here in the form of digital. Here you can also see the analog signal of ECGs. The hybrid computer is the combination of digital and analog. They convert analog signal to digital. They are expensive and complex systems. They are commonly used in medical and aviation fields. The process of hybrid procedure is input, analog signal, process, and output generate in digital data. Here in this picture, you can see wave or audio signal in an analog form and converted into digital data. That's all for today's lesson, students. These are your homework questions. Hope you understand well. I'll see you next week with another video. Till then, Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.